Participle have a topic ama share tawjage. Participle. Participle have si bhab amana adjective ki matau tawraba adjective ki function tawraba mado akoi participle ni haina khangne. Bhab amana adjective ki function tawraba. Adjective haina ga dima kai dogani noun amabu qualify tawba. Any bhab amana adjective ki matau tawraba haibadi noun amabu qualify tawragadi mado participle kawi haibani. Participle se koi makhal ani thokna lay present participle haiba ma past participle haiba ma present participle haiba ma past participle haiba ma sumaina ani lay present participle se kamaina same ge haragati b1 sida ing hapaga present participle same aduga sigi past participle haiba sidi akoi t gumba ed gumba n gumba en gumba bhab ki mamai da hapaga na same ado hairiba present amasung past participle se sentence ama da masi matau karamna kari karamba criteria da sinage haibado akoi nei nasi ado masi si tamdringai da nei nadringai da ai adjective se ma karamba mawong da sentence ama da act tawi karamba mawong da matau karamna act tawi haibado ai kitang panjarake adjective se attributively use haiba malai attributively use haiba attributively use haibadi khudam oina haibada sigi good boy haibagumba sigi good boy haibasida sigi boy haiba noun sigi mamanga leiriba sigi word se noun sigi qualify tawbani aduna sumaina noun ama bu directly qualify tawrapase akoina attributively use hai aduga predicatively use haibagadi khudam oina haibada sugar is sweet haige sida sigi adjective oiriba sweet haibase predicate oina sijinai haibadi noun sigi maramda ngangiba hairiba khudimak se any sentence amada subject oiriba noun dugi maramda iri iba ngangi iba khuding mak predicate ni maram aduna sigi se predicative use haina koi thangnari aduna adjective se amaga lairi akoi amadudi ai keno tawra maroi ge mathang tanja sabada absolutely use haibadu ai mathang ai haijarake adu hoji attributive use and predicative use haibasima khangsin biro sentence amaka we have no running water at our house. Sigi sentence da sigi run water hariba noun sibu running hariba sigi verb sina qualify taweba ising karamba ising running tawriba ising hana adubu sigi sida adjective oina sijinari iba sigi word se masi parts of speech da masi verb ni hariba verb to da ing hapchilaga semi iba sugumba participle se masi present participle kaweba aduna sigi sentence da water hariba noun sibu running ni haina sumaina masak tagliba adjective si masa verb na adjective oina use tawrpa function tawrpa ni na masa participle kawi another example nama that was an interesting film sida su yengse sigi film hariba sigi noun sibu karamba makal ki film no yamna interest oiba interesting oiba film ni haina interesting haibasi verb ni haibadi sigi b1 sida ing hapchilakpani sigi b1 sida ing hapchilakpani adubu magi function di sigi film haiba sigi noun sibu mana qualify tawbuna maram moiduna mase adjective oina use tawi sumaina verb amana adjective oina use tawrapado madubuni akoina participle haisi aduna ai example khara pijarake he is a learned man haibani sida sigi man hariba noun sibu learn haina verb ni adubu sigi verb sidi akoi participle ni haibadi past participle ni maram di sigi verb sigi mamai da t d ed na singba haibadi third form of the verb ni sida leise aduna masi gumba past participle se masina sigi man hariba noun sibu qualify tawbani na masisu participle ni haina koi khangani aduna participle haibasi makhalani ni present participle haiba maga past participle haiba maga The film was very interesting haibani sisida the film haibasi noun ni subject ni hariba subject sigi maramda ire iba ngang iba khuding maksa predicate nakani adu bo sigi predicate sida ai interesting haiba bhab am khag yauri hariba sigi interesting sina akoi da khangali se sigi film sibu interest oi haibani that means sigi film sibu mana qualify tobani aduna sigi noun amana bhab amana adjective ki mathau torpa that means qualify torpa noun amabu adu waragadi ma se participle kawi haibani hariba sigi participle se b1 sida ing hapaga lei maramaduna masigi participle makhalsina present participle kawi haibani ai hojik present participle na karino nataga past participle na karino haibagi matangda akoi khara khanna khre naina khre hojik participle haibase english ki sentence da masi kayamu yamna nungai na sina ge masi khangba kari kari kana ge haibado akoi yengse he took his head yengse sigi sentence ani sida he took his head in his hand he went out haibani sigi hairiba sentence ani se akoi participle haibadi bhab ta b1 da ing hapama nataga na bhab ta ed na singba en na singba hapaga semba ma ani sigi matung sijinaraganda akoi sigi sentence ani se relate to bi combine to bi aduna sida tu kai bhab se masi participle da olake haragadi sida di main bhab ni adu masi combine to ge ai taking his head in his hand he went out haina sumaina ko ngang bi ibi aduna english ya ko na he took his head in his hand he went out haina sumaina amamam ta oina iraga leiba natra ngang leiba gi mota taking his head in his hand he went out haina sumaina participle je si na ganda ko sentence yam da fajanna ngang bi natra na ibi aduna masini ko gi participle gi use Sijinnapham haibase adagi another example khara ai kana to jarake the boys saw the teacher they stopped talking haibani ozado angang sing duna urami makoi wari sanabado leplami haibani sigi sentence ani se participle sijinaraga koi combine toroga yamna fajana idoini hajik so haibasi da bhab ama yauri participle haisi makabu bhab amani ma adjective ona sijinadoini adudi seeing the teacher they haibagi mahota ai the boys haige stop talking haina sumaina seeing the teacher the boys stop talking haina sumaina participle se use toraganda koi sentence fajana akoi ibi yaiba aduna sigi si participle si matau karam na sijinagada ge haibadani masi sijinagada aduki matik akoi da nungai hanba kanan ba manai aduna sigi bhab sing haibadi finite bhab non finite bhab aina ani lei masa ta na mathang akoi class ya ai share